Welcome to a place where sheer power meets precision, where every swing of steel moves tons of earth, and where machinery doesn't just work, it dominates. Welcome to extreme mining in action. Today, you'll witness a massive Liebherr 984 excavator in full operation, loading Cat 777 dump trucks with efficiency and strength that defines modern mining. This is not just about moving dirt. It's about engineering, skill, and the kind of power that transforms landscapes. Watch closely as these machines perform a synchronized ballet of raw industrial energy. In this video, you'll see how the Liebherr 984 excavator handles enormous loads with precision, how the Cat 777 dump trucks line up and receive each bucket flawlessly, and how operators coordinate their movements to maximize productivity. From digging and lifting to swinging and dumping, every action is a study in control, strength, and timing. You'll notice the rhythm of the operation, the mechanical hum of engines, the hiss of hydraulics, and the low rumble of trucks carrying payloads away. Each movement tells a story of careful planning and experience, and each cycle contributes to the overall efficiency of the mine. The Liebherr 984 is one of the largest excavators in the world, built to withstand the toughest mining conditions. Its massive tracked undercarriage provides unmatched stability, even when handling full bucket loads at maximum reach. The powerful diesel engine fuels a hydraulic system capable of lifting, swinging, and placing materials smoothly and efficiently. Its wide stance, reinforced boom, and heavy-duty bucket allow it to work continuously in demanding environments, tackling everything from loose soil to compacted rock. As the excavator positions itself for its next cycle, the operator carefully adjusts the boom and bucket to optimize digging depth, ensuring maximum material per pass without overloading the machine or the trucks. Watch closely as the bucket descends. The teeth bite into the earth with precision, breaking through layers of soil and rock. The hydraulic arms compress and lift in one seamless motion, raising the bucket high above the ground. The upper structure rotates steadily, and despite the enormous weight, the movement is smooth and controlled. There's no rush here. Every action is calculated to balance speed with safety. The CAT 777 dump truck arrives beside the excavator, aligning perfectly to receive the load. These trucks are engineered to handle repeated heavy impacts with reinforced frames and advanced suspension systems that absorb the shock of each full bucket. As the bucket opens, tons of earth drop into the truck bed with a powerful crash, dust rising and ground vibrating with the impact. Each load is distributed evenly, maintaining balance. For safe transport to the processing or dumping area. Uneven loading could affect stability, increase wear, and slow down hauling, which is why coordination between the excavator and truck operators is so critical. Every swing, every dump, and every maneuver is a lesson in teamwork and efficiency. Now notice the repetitive cycle: dig, lift, swing, dump. Each movement is nearly identical, yet every operator adjusts slightly for terrain, load weight, and timing. Consistency is key in mining, and even small improvements in cycle time can result in thousands of extra tons moved in a single day. The Liebherr 984's hydraulic system provides smooth control, allowing operators to move heavy material with precision. The machine's cab is designed for operator comfort, reducing fatigue during long shifts and allowing full focus on maintaining cycle efficiency and safety. The CAT 777 dump trucks are equally impressive in this operation. Once fully loaded, they move away steadily, heading toward the unloading or processing point. Their powerful engines, durable frames, and long-lasting tires are designed to carry massive payloads over rough terrain repeatedly. As one truck exits, another lines up seamlessly, ensuring the excavator keeps working without interruption. This continuous flow is essential for maintaining production rates and maximizing efficiency. From this angle, the scale of the operation becomes even more apparent. Dust rises in clouds as each bucket drops. Tracks carve deep lines into the earth, and the sheer size of the excavator towers over the trucks. Despite its enormous dimensions, the Liebherr 984 moves with precision and grace. Every cycle is a blend of raw strength and technical skill. The operator's knowledge of terrain, load management, and machine limits ensures each movement is both safe efficient. An interesting fact about operations like this is how hydraulic efficiency directly affects productivity. A well-maintained hydraulic system allows faster lifting, smoother swinging, and precise placement of material, reducing cycle times and lowering fuel consumption. Similarly, matching excavator bucket capacity to truck payload reduces the number of passes needed to fill each truck, optimizing fuel use and minimizing wear. In many cases, a single full bucket load from a Liebherr 984 can fill a Cat 777 in just a few well-calculated swings, saving time and maximizing output. Another highlight is operator skill. Modern excavators are designed for comfort and control, but it's the experience of the operator that turns raw power into productive work. Knowing exactly how much material to take, how high to lift, how fast to swing, and how carefully to release the load separates an efficient cycle from a wasted one. On busy mining sites, every second counts, and the harmony between machines and operators determines overall efficiency. Look at the site from this perspective. The machine Machines work in perfect rhythm. Each load contributes to the slow but steady transformation of the mine. The excavator never stops moving, the trucks never pause for long, and production continues efficiently from dawn to dusk. Watching these machines operate together gives a sense of scale, power, and engineering that few other industries can match. If you're enjoying this glimpse into real heavy machinery at work, take a moment to like this video, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to the channel for more high-powered mining operations. Every interaction helps us bring more content from mines, quarries, and construction sites around the world straight to your screen. As the operation continues, notice the details, how the excavator adapts to different soil densities. How the trucks adjust their positions, and how dust and debris swirl around the machines. This is industrial choreography at its finest, where every movement serves a purpose. The Liebherr 984 and Cat 777 combination highlights not just the size of modern machines, but their efficiency, reliability, and the human skill behind them. Thank you for joining us to witness this extreme mining operation. Seeing these machines in action reminds us of the scale of modern industrial work and the precision required to manage it safely. Stay tuned, because in our next video, we'll explore another incredible heavy machinery operation, bringing you even closer to the machines that power our world. Until then, keep watching, stay inspired, and appreciate the engineering and skill that makes operations like this possible.